model, 66 plate Ford Transit Custom 290 starts drives needs head gasket repair silver Euro 6 No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 128,450. MOT, the 2nd of July 2026. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. May need a sniff of easy start sometimes thinking face. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in